It's just after 5:30 a.m, folks. Just listen to the beautiful birds and their dawn chorus. And again, a lot of people miss this when they're in bed. Never mind the spraying of the atmosphere and all the other shenanigans taking place, but just listen to the natural, folks. The abundance of life in these forested areas is just fantastic. It is. So they're quieting down now because they know I'm here. There's an abundance of rabbits. They seem to be everywhere. Not so many hares, but plenty of rabbits about. But they seem to have quieted as I've come outside.